Yeah, so my room is a mess. I can't tell you the last time it was this disgustingly dirty. It needs to change. All the comments on my TikToks are like, you need to clean that room, do a video. So this is peer pressure and I blame it on you guys. Let me show you. Some of you might be like, that's not that bad. To me, this is terrible, but I really have not had motivation to clean it recently. All these clothes right here are clean. I just haven't put them away because I don't want to hang them all up and separate them. These are all clothes that I'm selling or donating on either Poshmark or giving away to Goodwill. These are all clothes that aren't mine and I just don't know where to put them. I have not taken out my trash in 3 weeks. That's a PR package. I just filmed a haul with all these clothes and I haven't put them away. Oh, there's my tripod. My drawer fell out of my dresser and I can't put it back in because I'm not strong enough. And then there's just random stuff. My bed is also terribly made. Normally all my stuffed animals are organized in a nice little corner over there and they're just not. And also my bathroom isn't too bad, but I definitely need to get rid of the dirty dishes in here. I really don't have anything else to do right now, although I'm very, very hungry. I've not eaten all day. I think I'm gonna procrastinate for a little bit longer and go upstairs and eat something so I don't faint. But I'm gonna do my first step, which is bring up my dirty dishes. Some pretzels and pimple cream later. I'm ready to get this started. I do have 2 really big pimples on my face right now. And yes, I did just move all of the dirtiness of my room into one corner. That way I could take a good thumbnail. So sorry about it, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. I did also just upload a video on my main channel, Katie's Corner, called Going Broke for the New Year, and I posted a haul, so if you didn't watch that video, definitely go watch it. It's super fun. A lot of the stuff I'm gonna be cleaning was from that video. I literally don't know where to start. I think I'm just gonna start picking. No, I don't wanna pick things up off the floor. We're gonna make my bed first, and I'm just gonna say, unpopular opinion, I think making your bed is one of the dumbest things ever. And I'm being a hypocrite because I just said I'm gonna go make my bed, but I don't understand why you'd make your bed just to go back and lay back in it. Maybe it's just me, but that's what we're gonna do right now. I'm also putting you on a tripod. I've been using my tripod recently, and I have not used this thing in so long, so it's been kind of nice. Now for a time lapse of the bed, because I don't think you want to see that in regular real-time motion. Making my bed is a little bit concerning, but we did it. I always see like articles and statistics that say if you want to feel accomplished by doing something early in the morning, make your bed. And you know what? I do feel a little bit more accomplished. I understand because now I feel like that just makes my room look a little bit cleaner. A lot of people know this, but I have an obsession with stuffed animals. I love stuffed animals. Cole, my boyfriend, always buys them for me, so I have literally an entire stuffed animal corner. Not kidding when I tell you there's literally hundreds of dollars spent on those. Thanks, Cole. But now we're gonna start by picking up the random items in my floor and moving them around, such as these dirty socks that I wore to school today. Picking up the little trash and the little items that don't really matter, I think is like a good step to feel accomplished because then your floor is kind of clean. And then we'll handle the big guy. Look at that. Now a lot of my floor is clean, like actually a lot of it. I will literally keep a pile of clean clothes for so long just because I don't want to hang them up, and then it will stop me from wearing all those clothes because I can't find them. That's where we need to go now. Yes, I'm moving this entire tripod. Don't know the plan with this because I need to hang all of these up. Normally when I organize my clothes, I set them up by different category. I organize them by pants, hang up shirts, and shirts that go in my dresser over there, undergarments and stuff like that. That way it's easier for me to separate them, so we're gonna do that right now. You won't show up at all. The clothes are all separated out by piles now, and now I'm gonna put the t-shirts that I don't want to hang up in my dresser, my socks in the dresser, pants in the dresser, and I literally cannot fit any more bottoms in my dresser. It's such a problem. I really need to redo like my closet or like my organization of clothes because it is not effective, and I go through my clothes to sell or give away, donate, all that kind of stuff literally all the time. Like I'm constantly emptying out stuff that doesn't fit, and it's still packed to the brim. I genuinely don't know how I'm gonna fit any more bottoms in this drawer. The drawer already won't go in the dresser because it's too full. Ooh, do not get that close up. We do not like that. I should be human beings and not just pieces in a past that we can't read. Don't you wanna go outside? So it go, baby, go, grow, baby, grow. Don't leave it all for the other side. Hanging on finished hanging up all of my clothes. It really wasn't as much as I was anticipating it to be, and I was just jamming out to music, so it was pretty fun. Now we need to get rid of all the shopping bags that are scattered around my room. That would include those, and I also really need to take the trash out of both my trash cans. It is overflowing, and having overflowing trash overwhelms me. Don't know why. It's just one of those things. I can't do it. I just remembered that we are definitely not done putting away clothes because I didn't put away any of the clothes that I bought for my haul. We're not there yet. This one's empty. A hack that I always do, which I don't know if it's really a hack, but I always dump my trash in old shopping bags. So that way I'm getting rid of the shopping bag and the trash without wasting something else. I still have stuff in this one. I still have so much stuff in this one. So I still have a lot of clothes to hang. I did not think this through. Might not seem like that much, but trust me, there's a lot of stuff here. And if you want to see what I bought, go watch my haul. I'm going to now empty my trash into all of these shopping bags that I have and then take out my trash. Y'all, the room is officially clean. And when I say clean, it is sparkling. Honestly needed this, and it put me in such a better mood. I know everyone dreads cleaning just in general, but once you do it, you just feel like $1,000,000 because you accomplished a big task. Don't know if that's just me, but I'm going to show you what my room looks like. To me, this is pretty good. I'm not mad about it. I think I did an amazing job. There's still a few things that I need to put away, but like other than that, we're straight chilling. My entire floor is completely clean. I hung up all the clothes, got rid of all the bags of all the shopping that I did. I still can't fit this drawer into my dresser, so we're just gonna ignore that. I cleaned the entire floor, which was the main proponent. I also went through my closet and got rid of so much stuff. I put it all in this bin. If you don't know, I sell a lot of stuff on Poshmark, and if you are interested in buying any of the stuff that I'm selling, my @ will be on the screen, along with if you use my code CAITidecort, you get $10 off your first Poshmark purchase. So I'm selling literally so much of this stuff. I'm literally selling these brand new shorts from Princess Polly. There's just a lot of good stuff that I'm doing right now. I actually just packaged an order up right here that I need to ship out. I'll be shipping this out tomorrow. I also made my bed, as we saw. I cleared off my desk just a little bit. It probably doesn't look much different because it really isn't. Y'all, look at this important date right here. My birthday, the 23rd of January. Coming very soon. This pile has been here literally forever. Anytime I get clothes that aren't mine, I just kind of put them there. These are all people in my family's clothes, but I also emptied both my trash cans. The bathroom was really never that dirty, so that is all for this. Hopefully this either inspired or motivated you, or was just pure entertainment. Don't really know why it would be entertainment, but you're welcome. I love you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to go watch the haul on my main channel, Going Broke in 2020, because I spent a lot of money on clothes. Been jamming out to Harry Styles' new album, Fine Lines, and it's so good. I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace in the Middle East.